Ignition sequence start. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Liftoff. We have a liftoff.
Welcome back to the 10X Game Show. Let's get right into another one. Today is Sunday, April 27th. XRP is at $2.24. Let's dive right into the charts. We got a really nice daily close for XRP. We've got a nice weekly close as well. We'll dive right into it. Well, let's take a look. So my last video was the 22nd, I believe, of April, where we had this breakout. And we've consistently closed daily candles above the trend line. We just had a nice green day, a nice little pump for XRP. Things are looking super bullish, super good. If you notice this inverse head and shoulders pattern that we broke out of, we did come back, we wicked down, we tested the neck, and we are off to the races. Guys, everything is looking super nice, super bullish. Notice the stochastic RSI down below. We do have that bullish cross, and we are looking great. 4 hour, looking pretty nice as well, just kind of consolidating sideways above the trend line. If we go to the weekly, now what's interesting on the weekly is we did close the weekly above this trend, above this above this resistance line here. That is a huge confirmation there. Starting this new week off with 2 hours into it, we already have formed a little bottom wick, so that could be it, guys. And we could have a massive week this week. If you guys don't know, we have an XRP ETF that was approved that is going live on April 30th. Let's see, what is that, Wednesday? So we are expecting some massive bullish price momentum, huge price movement for XRP coming up this week. This is going to be a massive week. We also have the monthly candle closing this week. Wow, I did not even look at that yet. Look at that monthly candle. We've been closing monthly candles above the support of $2. And look at this long wick to the downside with the candle body closing up. Guys, it's looking super bullish for the monthly. Look at this RSI resetting. We could get a monthly RSI flip. We could have that cross coming into May this week. So we'll see what happens. If we can close this monthly above the 240 range, that's going to be even more bullish. So by Wednesday this week, if we can close above 240, oh man, May is looking juicy. May is looking like, whew, May's probably looking like one of these monthly candles, but we'll see what happens. Everything is looking super nice though. Let me see here. Taking a look at this chart. On the weekly, you can notice that we did bounce right from this around the $2.08, $2.09 range. The Fibonacci level, we pushed right through. We had this resistance here at 215. We closed the weekly above. Our next target on the weekly is around the 260 range. So pay attention to $2.60. We want to close a weekly candle above there. Also a daily candle above the 260 range. You can see many wicks up here to this range. This is right here, right there. You know, we came up and then we ultimately came down there, wick there. So the 260 range is our next level. We'll be watching out for it. I mean, this inverse head and shoulders, the exact target would be around the 260 range. So I will keep you guys updated along the way, but that is exactly where we're heading. We could float right up to it with no problem at all. Take a look at the Bitcoin dominance chart. I haven't looked at this in a while. We've been in a little bit of a downtrend actually with the dominance chart, but we may have found a bottom. Today, we had a nice, massive green day on the dominance chart. Taking a look at that, all the way to the top was a 5.5%. To the body, 4.5% for XRP's dominance against Bitcoin. And Bitcoin has been going up. You can see Bitcoin's at 93,500. But can we get above this level right here, the 2416? If we can get above that with a daily close, guys, we are looking juicy on this Bitcoin, or I'm sorry, on this XRP dominance. I believe that this probably I think we found the bottom here. I want to say that we're going to start heading up on the dominance, but we will see. We did close a red weekly on the dominance. You can see our RSI is way oversold. So XRP dominance is due for a massive rise. And so, you know, when this thing starts taking off, the price of XRP takes off with it. Let me know what you guys think down below. I appreciate every single one of you tuning in. Let's take a look at X. If you guys don't follow me at official NDE. That's at official NDE. Here's one from Altcoin Bail. Breaking: the SEC has approved a public launch date of April 30th for ProShares Trust XRP ETF. And we have from Uphold themselves, XRP ETF approved. And this is Cointelegraph. The SEC approved a public launch of April 30th for the ProShares XRP ETF. Guys, this is massive. And if you guys remember what happened with the when Bitcoin ETF started getting approved, I mean, the price just took off, like went crazy. It went ballistic. And guys, this is set to launch on April 30th, which is Wednesday. So we are expecting a major move this week and in the following weeks to come. This is so bullish for XRP. Let me know if you're holding massive bags of XRP, and congratulations if you are, because we are just getting started. Man, you are blessed to be watching this right now, this channel. You are blessed with this knowledge. You are blessed to hold XRP, to know what you hold. Congratulations if you hold XRP. You're going to be creating generational wealth for not only yourself, but for your families. Congratulations, everybody watching this and holding that bag. Here's one from Moonshilla. Holy S. XRP bears are effed, is what he said. And as you can see, he's looking at the 3-day chart. And we did have a close on the 3-day chart above the resistance, which is super bullish. I mean, next target $3.20. That's nothing. We'll float up there like nothing. So let me know what you guys think down below. Like, subscribe, share the content. I appreciate every single one of you. I will keep you updated this week. We got massive news this week. We've got the XRP ETF going live on Wednesday. We got the end of a bullish monthly candle. So, I mean, May is setting up to look like potentially one of the best months yet for the price of XRP. I am super excited, and I can't wait to see you at the top. Till next time.
Just got 3 things to say. God bless our troops. God bless America. And gentlemen,